Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will complete the second part of our SketchUp playlist for beginners, and we will learn how to open the places of doors and windows in our 3D plane. Let's begin our new tutorial. We have 3D plane, and if you don't know how to make it, you can review our first tutorial of the program. We want to open our doors and windows like this 3D plane. So we will use three measure tools: tape measure, lines, and push and pull tool. Tape measure tool used to make a guidelines to help you draw your lines easily. As we see, we want to draw the main door, so we will take a guideline with 0.5 meter. Another one from the slab with 2.2 meter and another one with 2 meter. After that, move to lines tool and start to draw your door's line, then move to push and pull tool and begin to open your door. And use erase tool to remove all the guidelines. Now we will begin to open the 3D plane windows with the same way. Draw a guideline from the slab with 0.9 meter and another one with 2.2 meter. And make another one from this line with 1 meter and the window width 2 meters. After that, take the distance between two windows 1 meter and take the same width 2 meter. Then use rectangle tool to draw windows. After that, use push and pull tool to open them. And delete the guidelines with erase tool. Now we will draw the bathroom and the other windows with the same method. Now we will move to draw the inner doors places. Use tab tool and draw guideline with 2.2 meter length. Then draw another guideline cross the wall and use lines tool to draw a line here. Then use push and pull tool to move this part to this edge. And use erase tool to remove all the guidelines. We will draw all the inner doors with the same method. You can move your windows to left and right. Just select them and use Move tool. At the end of our tutorial, we hope you like it. Don't forget to tell us your opinion and what you want to learn next in SketchUp. See you soon with a new tutorial in SketchUp to learn more about the program. Don't forget to share our video and subscribe our channel.